Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you guys how you can apply your UV transfer or UV print transfer on your glass can. And as you can see, I am doing a voiceover because I totally forgot. Only when I'm editing this video I realized that there's a music playing in the background, and that's a big no-no for YouTube, and I don't want to get in trouble when I post this video, so I decided to just do a voiceover. So here I'm just spraying my glass can with alcohol. Make sure you are very generous with your alcohol when you're cleaning your glass can, because you don't want any natural oil or dirt on your glass can when you're applying your UV wrap. This is to avoid any bubbles, and you won't have any problem with your vinyl, or sorry, not your vinyl, your UV print sticking onto your glass can. So I'm going to go ahead and put the link down in the description below where you can get this UV wrap. These are bestsellers, so I'm not gonna be sure when I post this if these wrap are still available. But yeah, I'm gonna put the link down in the description below and you can go ahead and check that out. So make sure before you apply your UV wrap onto your glass can, you want to go ahead and measure first, because I know not every glass can is made the same way, if that makes sense. Sometimes it's smaller, sometimes it's wider, bigger, right? So you have to make sure that you measure it first before peeling off your UV wrap. I already did that prior to making this video, but yeah, so here I am just putting the cardstock down, and I'm just kind of carefully placing it, making sure it's straight. So you just put down the center, make sure that it's centered, because if not, then you're gonna have a problem when you try to place everything down. And once it's down, you can't remove it anymore. That's how strong the adhesive of this UV wrap is. It's really strong, and it's going to be hard for you to remove it. So it's just be careful, do it very slow, don't rush it. So use the cardstock again that came with a UV wrap. Make sure you use the glossy side, don't use the back, because if you do use the back side, your UV print will stick on that and you can't remove it anymore. So yeah, just use the glossy side, and here you just press it down. You can either press it down with your finger. I would recommend using a squeegee, just so that you can make sure that there is no bubbles when you place your UV wrap down. You can use the soft side, you can use the hard side. Just make sure you're pressing it as much as you can. So here, as you can see, I am just doing it slowly, making sure that I don't make a lot of mistake. And when you do turn your cup, make sure that on the other side, you're still mindful that it's not sticking to anything. Okay, so like I said, once this stick onto any surface, you can't remove it anymore, and that's it. The adhesive of this UV wrap is very strong, so you just squeegee it down. So while I am, making sure securing every print onto the glass can, I just wanted to let everybody know that this is a great way for a small business owner to start on their Etsy or any platform that you wish to sell your glass can. Not only that, it's less time to make this, because before, anybody who's using Cricut or anything like that, you need time to design your product, you need time to cut them out, weed them out. This is very easy. It literally took me, I would say, less than 10 minutes to complete one cup. Now, the only reason why it's taking me so long is because I want to make sure I'm showing everybody without fast forwarding it, so to make sure that everybody can know the process and how long it takes. You can do it faster, people just stick it on and rip it out, but you would just have a little bit of bubbles here and there. But for me, I like to make sure that my customer gets the best quality. You know, you don't want to rush everything, and if you're selling this as a business, you know, this would represent your business. So if you're doing it really, really sloppy and you're rushing it, then the quality would not be as great as you would want it to be. So you just take your time making sure that the quality is up par to your standard. So yeah, just press it down. There's a good profit margin with this one because the material cost is a little bit compared to other stuff, and also everything is done for you, right? So only 10 minutes, and then you can probably get a profit of more than $15 per cup. So that's totally up to you of how much you sell it, but I've seen this glass can go for like $25 a piece, and or even 30, some of them really, but like as you can see, it's probably like the cost of this material is like around $10 to $12 maximum. Okay, so some UV wrap will overlap, and that's fine. So what you do is you just peel off the clear film on the other side, and then you press down the other part, like what I'm doing right now. I hope I'm explaining it well. And then you just press it down some more just to make sure that the adhesive stick on and grab onto your glass can even longer. And yeah, so you can use your finger, you can use your squeegee, it is totally up to you, but you have to make sure that there's no bubbles, and in order to avoid the bubbles you have to press down your wrap. Oh yeah, and one more reminder for beginner business owner out there, when you do sell this one, you have to make sure that you always give your customer a care card. So a care card, that is how they can take care of their glass can, for it to, you know, prolong its quality. You have to make sure that you let them know that it is not dishwasher safe, this is not microwave safe, and do not soak it, do not use any hard scrub or hard chemical to wash your glass can, just to, you know, make sure that it saves you from any complaint later on, because they are not dishwasher proof, and some people likes to throw their stuff in a dishwasher and they don't like to hand wash. But anyway, here as you can see, I'm just peeling off the film slowly. Make sure you do it very slow, just to prevent any mistakes. So sometimes the print will not stick to the glass can because you probably missed a spot or you didn't press it hard enough. So what would you do if that happened is that you just place the clear film back on again, and then you press it again. You don't have to put the entire thing on, just for that one bit that is sticking to the clear film, just place it back on and press it again, and then peel it off again. As you can see in here, you see that part? So that tiny part right there is still sticking to the clear film. That's why I place it back down again and squeegee it some more, and then there you go, it finally stuck to the glass. So yeah, we are all done, and this is what it looks like. Thank you all so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!